Resetting a Windows PC or laptop to factory settings is very easy. This process reinstalls the Windows 11 operating system like a fresh new system without deleting data from other drives. Open the Windows menu and right-click on it, then select Settings, or simply search for the Settings app. In the Settings window, select System from the left side. Scroll down and find the Recovery option. Under the Recovery section, select Reset this PC. Then click on Reset PC. You will see two options: Keep My Files and Remove Everything. If your PC is not working properly, and it has been a while since you installed a new app or changed system settings, I recommend choosing the first option, Keep My Files. The second option, Remove Everything, will delete all the files, folders, apps, and related system data from your Windows installation. However, it will not erase data stored on other drives. After selecting the option you want, wait a few minutes while the process completes. This method can help fix issues such as hardware or software not being detected because the system files may be corrupted. Do not interrupt the reset process. Your computer may restart several times during the reset, which is completely normal. If possible, always back up your important data to an external drive before starting the reset. I hope this helped you fix the problem. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like the video to support the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.